Where's the Gun Devil? I know that ain't who I think it is. Let me find out they got Eve on the outro. Yo! That's my boy. Eve on the outro is crazy, bro. I had a feeling he was gonna get one, bro. I had a feeling. This one going on the playlist. I ain't even gonna hear the rest of the song. I don't even have to hear the rest of the song. It's going on the playlist. Yo. I'm gonna go check Apple Music right after this video uploaded. This is going on the playlist. Nah, you top 10 for real. At least we finally took a dub though. Cause these L's were getting out of hand. Look at that. A happy ending for like a minute. Now we gotta prepare for some wild shit to set up season 2.